Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I am going to guide you through how you can make your Instagram account private or public. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your device. Now, log into your Instagram account. After that, tap on your profile icon. Tap on the hamburger menu that's on the top. Now, tap on the settings. After that, tap on the privacy menu. You will see the private account button. Toggle the button beside the private account. Now, tap on switch to private. Now, your Instagram account is private, but if you want to switch to public account, you can again toggle off the button. Tap on the switch to public and get done. And that's it. This is how you can make your Instagram account private or public. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.